Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly like and subscribe if this is the first time you're seeing my videos. Hi guys, welcome to the next video of Linux command line for beginners series, and today we are going to learn about the watch command. The watch command in Linux allows you to run a command repeatedly at regular intervals and display its output in real time. This is useful for monitoring changes in system status such as memory usage, disk space, or running processes. And the basic syntax for it is watch options, then the command. That's the basic syntax on how to use watch. To get detailed information about the option, we use the manual page, man watch. So if I scroll down using my down arrow key, I'll see options like the -b option, beep if command has no zero exit. Then we have the -c option, which interprets ANSI color and style sequence. We have the -d option, which highlights the differences between successive updates. We have the -g option, which exits when the output of the command changes. We have the -n option, which specify the interval. We have the -p option, which make watch to attempt to run command every interval seconds. To exit from this manual page, I will use the command Q. To monitor the disk space every 5 seconds, we use the command watch -n df-h. This monitor memory usage. So this is my memory usage and file system size, the memory used, the available memory, and the percentage of the memory used. The mounted device on. This is how we monitor our memory usage. So here we see udev, we see the size is 1.9 gig. Used, we have not used anything here, so it's 0. Available 1.9 gig. We have the /dev/sda1, size 79 gig, and I've used 33 gig, and the available memory is 42 gig. So I've used 45% of it. The next command we are going to use is to track the memory usage in real time. For me to track the memory usage in real time, I will use the command watch free-h, enter. So I'm able to track the memory usage in real time, and these are the memory usage. We have total memory 3.8 gig, use memory 3.1 gig, free memory 338 megabytes, shared memory 88 megabytes, buff and cache 814 megabytes. Then the available memory is 785 megabytes. Ctrl C to exit. To check for new file in a directory, we use the command watch -d /home/kali/downloads. This command will list files in the download directory and highlights any differences between updates and making it easy to see when new files are added. So once I hit enter, these are the files. The next command is watch -d ps-aux space pipe space wc-l. This command will count the number of active processes, highlighting any increase or decrease in the counts between each interval. So currently we have 258. So every 2 seconds it will update itself if it increase or decrease in the counts between each interval. And for this case, it was formerly 258, now it has increased to 259. The watch command is an excellent tool for live monitoring, making it ideal for the real-time tracking and troubleshooting system changes. Kindly like, subscribe, and recommend.